Welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to show you how to prepare a egg guacamole. Perfect for the Super Bowl. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. First things first, getting ready the eggs. I have in a pot boiling water. I'm going to add my eggs. I'm going to cook them for exactly 15 minutes. No more and no less. After 15 minutes, I'm going to remove and put them aside and let them come to room temperature. And now, let me show you. Once you cook them for 15 minutes, the skin is going to be very easy to remove. Here I have my onion. I am going to dice in small little pieces, 1 whole onion. This is the best and the most delicious egg guacamole salad for your Super Bowl. When you want to enjoy the Super Bowl with some chips, well, this is the perfect egg guacamole to enjoy. I have the diced onion. I'm going to put it aside. I am going to continue with my tomatoes. Of course, I'm going to remove the center, all the seeds I want to remove. I want this guacamole to be nice and chunky and not runny, not with too many liquids. So that's why I'm removing the seeds from my tomatoes. Of course, you decide how many tomatoes you want to add, how many avocados you want to add. But let me tell you, this egg guacamole comes out delicious every time. Once you make it, you're going to enjoy it with some amazing chips and enjoy your Super Bowl. Well, here I'm going to start dicing away. I want all the ingredients to be almost the same size. Once they're all nice and chopped, I'm going to add it to the same plate. I have the cilantro here that I'm going to chop away. The chile serrano that I'm chopping in very small little pieces. Of course, I have my lemons, my organic lemons from my garden. I'm going to get all the juice out, but for sure, I am removing the seeds if there's any. This is the part that you have to be very careful. Getting all the juice out of the lemons, but yet removing the seeds. The last thing you need is having a tostada with your egg guacamole, and there's the seeds in there. So make sure you remove them, okay? And here I have my avocados. I'm going to slice away, get the bone out, and then cubing the avocado like this so I could just add it into the rest of the ingredients. But I'm going to give you a tip. Once you slice them and you score them and you're ready to pull them apart in a separate plate. Add the juice of the lemon right on top of the avocado, and this is going to prevent the avocado to brown. I have 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of salt, and then I'm ready to add all that amazing juice. It's about 1.5 cups of the juice, and make sure no seeds go in there, okay? Once you add the juice, just incorporate it really good into the avocado. And now I am ready to prepare the egg, the hard-boiled eggs. And let me show you how easy it is to remove the skin. Remember, have the water boiling already before you add your eggs in the water. Cook it for only 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, remove the water and just let them sit in the same pot until you're ready to remove the skin. Look how easy it is. I'm going to continue removing the skin of the hard-boiled eggs, and I am ready to start slicing and cubing my boiled eggs. Look at this. This is what takes longer, getting all the ingredients ready. And now that you have everything ready, let's start incorporating everything. I want to first incorporate the tomato, the onion, the chile serrano, the cilantro before I add any of the ingredients. So let's start incorporating this. Once this is nice and incorporating, I am going to add my avocado mixture with the lemon incorporate it one more time, and then I'm ready to top it off with the hard-boiled eggs. Look at this. This just looks amazing, and I'm sure that it's going to taste delicious. Like I said, this egg avocado, it really is perfect for your Super Bowl. So here I'm just going to mix very slightly, not pulling apart, not breaking all those little pieces of the egg. And then I am ready to try it with a tostada. Look at this. This looks amazing. Every time you dip your tostada in there, you're going to get a little bit of everything. Of course, let's taste to see if we need to add a little more salt. Let's see how this came out. Amazing. I'll see you in a bit. My friends, I am completely done with this egg guacamole. Perfect for your Super Bowl. This is the part I love and enjoy. Tasting my recipes. Excuse me. Mmm. Mmm. So delicious. It's not spicy at all, but it's amazing. Mmm. If you liked and love this amazing recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this amazing egg walk. See you soon. Bye-bye.